Dear students, I am Shubhda Chamoli, TGT Biology from Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1, Roorkee. Today we will be studying about chapter number 11 of class 10th, which is the human eye and the colorful world. So have you ever wondered how do we see this world? Yes, the human eye is the organ which helps us to see this colorful world. The human eye is like a camera. It has different parts: cornea, retina, iris, pupil and ciliary muscles. So now we will study about the function of each of its parts. Whatever light which enters into our eye, it is done through a transparent membrane called cornea. The lens system forms an image on a light sensitive screen, and this screen is called retina. The eye lens helps to focus the image of the object on the retina. Behind the cornea there is a muscular diaphragm called iris, which has an opening called pupil. And this is the function of the pupil to control the amount of light which enters into our eyes. The ciliary muscles helps to change the curvature of the lens and to change its focal length. And this is due to the ciliary muscles we are able to see the distant as well as the nearby objects clearly. Next is the working of human eye. The eye lens forms a real inverted image of the object on the retina. The light sensitive cells which are present in the retina then produce some electrical signals which are taken to the brain with the help of the optic nerves. The brain then processes these signals and then sends the message to the eye, and we see the object with correct orientation. Now comes the power of accommodation. Have you ever thought how our eyes is able to see both near and distant objects at the same time? So, the ability of the eye lens to see both near and distant objects by adjusting its focal length is called the power of accommodation of the eye. Here we come across 2 points, near point and far point. The minimum distance at which the eye can see objects clearly is termed to be as the near point or least distance of distinct vision. For a normal eye, this distance is of 25 cm. And the farthest distance up to which our eyes can see the objects clearly is termed to be as the far point of the eye. For a normal eye, it is between 25 cm and infinity.